back to another episode of Mr. J's Workshop. So, where we're at now in the workshop is I got all the walls painted white. I did not do anything creative. I got other plans for this wall here that's behind the laser, but I'll share that with another video. Where we're at today, the walls are painted. I brought everything in. I got piles and piles of stuff. So now I'm to the point of organizing. Boy, this is a long process. So I'm going to try to organize things, but I could offer a tip right off the bat that I need for myself. Uh, Through the 25, 28 years that I've been doing this, I've collected materials. I have cabinets and shelves of materials that have been sitting here for years and I don't use. I'm not a storefront. I do custom engraving and custom work and fabrication. So I take on engraving jobs when they're big enough, and when I get those big jobs, I always order extra material just in case something happens and I have extra material. But throughout the years, I get piles of stuff. So my number one task at this time is go through all the material and only keep material that I, commonly use all the time. All the other stuff, if it's junk, I'm throwing out. I hate saying that, but if I don't use it and I haven't used it in 20 some years, in the dumpster. Uh, the stuff that I occasionally use once in a while, I'm going to start making rubber bins that I'll put behind the office on shelves that it's there if I need it, but it's not taking up my shop space. My shop space is going to be for my tools and places where I could do my work and not have a lot of stuff that I have to keep on moving around. So that's the tip that I'm tipping myself on. So I started doing that, and I got quite a few bins right now that I need to move to the back of the building here and build a shelf back there to keep everything. But everything here in the shop now is going to be things that I use, tools, cleaning products, anything I use on a daily basis. It's still a mess here. Um, I know some of the people have been asking, well, what happened to Project 701? Project 701 is my Zenith experimental aircraft, uh, which Mark and I are building together. He's my partner on the project. Uh, Him and I have been tied up with other projects, so that's been putting aside, or been put aside, or it's been forgotten, or it's collecting dust. It's there. So both both our ideas is let's get back on that project and get it done. But this is where we're at now. I got some of my grid wall installed on the walls. I broke a lot of my organizers because I was piling junk on top of it. So I'm going to have to make some new organizers for my tools and supplies. So here's a couple of the grid walls. I got my organizers for my leather product. I got organizers for my painting and spray painting product, cleaning products, tapes. I'm going to be redoing all that. I still need to put up my pegboards. My pegboards, I'm going to focus on keeping all my tools hanged up and organized that I could go to it when I need it. Everything has its place. So that's about all for right now. I'll keep you guys posted. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Uh, we'll see you next time. Have a great day.